Jump rope, a simple yet effective exercise, has been a popular activity for centuries. It involves jumping over a rope that is swung under the feet and back over the head in a continuous motion. What was once a childhood pastime has now evolved into a recognized form of exercise, with a multitude of benefits for people of all ages and fitness levels. In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you jump rope every day. So, watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. Let's go. Jump rope offers a wide range of benefits that make it an appealing exercise option for individuals looking to improve their physical fitness and overall well-being. Here are some of the key benefits. Improved stamina and endurance. Jumping rope challenges your stamina and endurance levels. As you progress in your jump rope workouts, you'll find that you can jump for longer durations without getting fatigued. This increased stamina can benefit various sports and activities that require prolonged periods of physical exertion. Increased speed and quickness. Jump rope exercises can enhance your speed and quickness by improving the responsiveness of your muscles and nervous system. The fast-paced nature of jumping rope helps develop fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are responsible for explosive movements and agility. Enhanced cardiovascular health. Regular jump rope sessions can lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve overall cardiovascular health. It strengthens the heart muscle, increases the efficiency of the circulatory system, and enhances the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Increased mental focus and concentration. Jumping rope requires focus and concentration to maintain a steady rhythm and timing. Regular practice can help improve your mental focus, attention span, and ability to stay present in the moment. This mental engagement can have positive effects on other areas of your life as well. Low impact on joints. Compared to high-impact exercises like running, jumping rope puts less stress on your joints while still providing an effective cardiovascular workout. It can be a suitable alternative for individuals with joint issues or those looking to minimize joint impact during their exercise routines. Cardiovascular fitness. Jumping rope is an excellent cardiovascular exercise that gets your heart pumping and increases your heart rate. It improves your cardiovascular fitness by strengthening your heart and lungs, enhancing blood circulation, and boosting your overall endurance. Weight loss and calorie burning. Jump rope is an effective calorie-burning exercise that can help you shed excess weight. It engages multiple muscle groups and elevates your heart rate, leading to increased calorie expenditure. Regular jump rope sessions can contribute to weight loss and aid in maintaining a healthy body weight. Full body workout. Jump rope engages various muscle groups, including your legs, core, arms, and shoulders. It provides a comprehensive full body workout, toning and strengthening these muscles over time. By incorporating jump rope into your exercise routine, you can improve muscle tone, endurance, and overall physical strength. Coordination and agility. Jumping rope requires coordination, rhythm, and timing. As you jump over the rope, you need to synchronize your movements with the rope's rotation. Regular practice enhances your hand-eye coordination, footwork, and overall agility, improving your motor skills and balance. Bone health and strength. Jumping rope is a weight-bearing exercise that puts stress on your bones. This helps promote bone density and strength, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, especially in older individuals. By regularly engaging in jump rope workouts, you can support long-term bone health. Mental health and stress relief. Engaging in physical activity like jump rope can have positive effects on mental health. It releases endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones, which can boost your mood, reduce stress, and alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Jumping rope can serve as a form of meditation, providing a focused and mindful exercise experience. Jump rope is not just a nostalgic childhood activity. It is a highly effective exercise with numerous benefits for individuals of all ages and fitness levels. Incorporating jump rope into your fitness routine can improve cardiovascular fitness, aid in weight loss, enhance coordination and agility, strengthen muscles, promote bone health, and provide mental health benefits such as stress relief and improved focus. Its convenience, portability, and versatility make it a practical and enjoyable exercise option. So, grab a jump rope, find a suitable space, and start reaping the rewards of this simple yet impactful exercise. Get ready to jump your way to better health and fitness. Thank you for watching and being a part of our YouTube channel. We appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Stay tuned and keep exploring with us. See you in the next video.